Now, cutting across to clashes in Bengal, 12-hour Bandh has been called by the Congress Left Alliance in Bengal. It's currently underway. The Bandh will go on until 6 p.m. This comes a day after the Left and the Congress activists demanding jobs clashed with the police in central Kolkata's Esplanade area. Just yesterday, police used lathis, water cannons, tear gas in Kolkata to stop the protests. Several injuries were reported in the clash. In fact, in Kolkata, Left supporters blocked the train service between Dumdum Cantonment and Durganagar rail station for at least 15 minutes. In fact, they also blocked roads, resorted to tire burning. Life in Howrah has been unaffected, is not impacted due to the Bandh here. However, train services on Howrah-Bardhaman main line section was affected due to this protest, as the Bandh supporters obstructed movement right from this morning. Let me quickly cut across to Prema Rajaram, joining us from Kolkata Live. Prema, take us through the reason of the protest. We understand that they've been crying foul over lack of jobs. The protesters now turning violent, and they're demanding answers from the TMC government.
Well, absolutely. Like you mentioned, it is about the job issue that they did protest on Thursday. But what they're protesting on Friday is for the crackdown that the police did on Thursday on the Left supporters. And they felt that it was not valid, considering the fact that it was an agitation on Thursday, but not something that they expected the police to fire tear gas shells or to really look at, cracking down on Left supporters in that manner. And which is why today in certain parts of Kolkata and the districts, we've seen protests in terms of rail rokos, where the rail tracks were blocked for about half an hour to 45 minutes. We're looking at Dumdum area, like you mentioned. We're also looking at Hooghly and other parts of West Bengal. We also saw that the roads have been blocked in certain areas, like we saw in Dumdum area as well, and again in Hooghly. In Nadia district, for example, there has been not much of an impact of the Bandh. Let's look at Asansol, where over there some people who were going to their workplaces on their motorbikes, they were stopped and allegedly beaten up by CPM supporters. So the effect of the Bandh is there in certain places, but the Left clearly wanting to send out a message that we will not be cowed down by what the police has done to our supporters.
Sure.
Back to you, Navila.